So hello everyone, this is Shruti Mistry and today we are going to explore how to swap tables in Snowflake. Swapping tables can be incredibly useful, especially when transitioning from development to production environment. Now there are a few ways to achieve this. One common method is to create a copy of the development table and then rename it for production use. However, Snowflake offers a simpler approach, um, swapping tables. Swapping tables essentially involves swapping the metadata. So I'll show you in diagrammatically that rather than duplicating the entire data set, we swap the metadata. This means that the underlying storage remains intact with the metadata pointing to different tables. So let's give an example. In Snowflake, each table has its metadata and underlying storage. When we swap tables, we are just swapping the metadata pointers as shown here. The pointers are swapped. This process is straightforward and can be done with a single command, that is the alter table, the source table name, swap with keyword, and then the target table name. So the same principle applies to schemas. We can swap schemas using the alter schema command. Now let's see how it works in practice. So I have opened the worksheet that I have created for swapping. We'll start with the setup as always. First we'll create the table in which we will load our data. I have named it as employee dev. I'll do it fast. So now I'll create the file format CSV file. The type will be CSV, field delimiter is comma, and skip header is true. Now we'll create the stage, that is the swap stage, which I have named. We will use the URL, which is publicly available as 3 bucket, and the file format will be mentioned as CSV file. So I've created the stage successfully. Now I'll list what is there in the stage. Okay, so there is this file called employees01.csv. So we will copy this file into a employee dev table, and I'll see what is loaded. So okay, the employees data is loaded successfully. Now here we will start with swapping. So first I'll create two tables, employee dev, which I've already created, and employee prod. I'll use the clone command for it to show you the example. I am using these two tables. So now I have employee dev and employee prod, which is the production table, and employee dev is the development table. So if I make, so now you can see the employee prod is having the correct data. Now if I make any changes in the uh, employee development table, like the first name, I'll change it to, no, I'll delete the table data where the first name is avo, and I'll run this command. Okay, okay, one row is deleted. So now my changes made here should be available in the production table. So what I'll do is alter table employee dev, the source table, swap with the target table employee prod. So we will see if that works. So yeah, that has been successfully executed. Now I'll see the employee dev, does it has avo? It does have avo. Now if my prod has avo, since I've swapped it with that, it does not have avo. So we have seen how swap table is executed and used. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.